Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video I show double UK49 lunch time and tea time prediction for 11 September Thursday 2025. Now lunch time single prediction numbers: number 1, number 2, number 11, number 21, number 27, number 36. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 1, number 2, number 11, number 21, number 27, number 36. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 16, number 17, number 24, number 28, number 37, number 42. Now lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 16, number 17, number 24, number 27, number 37, number 42. Today lunchtime booster ball numbers: number 18, number 28, and number 36, and number 39. Now lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 18, number 28, number 36, number 39. So friends, please my video. Now tea time prediction for 11 September Thursday 2025. Now tea time single prediction numbers: number 4, number 9, number 11, number 21, number 28, number 33. Now tea time single prediction number repeat: number 4, number 9, number 11, number 21, number 28, number 33. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 15, number 16, number 27, number 29, number 35, number 37. Today time second prediction number repeat: number 15, number 16, number 27, number 29, number 35, number 37. Now tea time booster ball numbers: number 28, and number 40, number 43, and number 49. Today time bonus ball number repeat: number 28, and number 40, and number 43, and number 49. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next